Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Ever been stumped by the Earth Defense Force error code 2_0? Well, you're not alone. This error typically pops up when launching the game, leading to an unexpected crash. According to player feedback, the issue often arises due to problems with the game files. But don't worry, we've got some fixes lined up for you. First up, try rebooting your system and checking for updates. It's as simple as it sounds. Restart your devices, then check for any pending updates for Earth Defense Force and Steam. If there are any, go ahead and install them. Once done, see if the error still shows up. If the error persists, our next suggestion is to verify the Earth Defense Force files. This can be helpful if the problem is due to missing or corrupt game files. Here's how you do it. Close Steam and restart your device. After that, launch Steam and tap on the library from the top of the screen. Find Earth Defense Force, right-click on it or tap on the gear icon, then select Properties. Next, select the Installed Files tab. From there, choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once you've completed this process, close and relaunch Steam. Check to see if the error still exists. Still no luck? Don't worry, we've got one more trick up our sleeve. Try installing the Epic Online Services. To do this, access the game files and look for a folder named Epic Online Services. Once you find it, open it and install. After that, give your device another reboot and check if the error has been resolved. So, to recap, there are three main fixes for the Earth Defense Force error code 2_0. Rebooting your system and checking for updates, verifying the Earth Defense Force files, and installing the Epic Online Services. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.